Welcome to Dubai Luxe Living. Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great and enjoying our videos. Today, Dubai Luxe Living brings you another exciting showcase, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments. Once again, we're here to present some fantastic fully furnished apartments in Dubai. We offer a variety of options, including studio, one-bedroom, and two-bedroom apartments, catering to both families and business travelers. If you're looking for a fully furnished and fully equipped apartment in Dubai, we have plenty of great choices available at unbeatable prices. Experience 5-star living at an incredible value. The surrounding area is well equipped with supermarkets, pharmacies, restaurants, and more, all offering free home delivery for your convenience. The best part? The brand new Al Maktoum International Airport is just an 8-minute drive away, making travel seamless and stress-free. Enjoy luxury, comfort, and convenience, all in one place. For inquiries, feel free to reach out at +971 56 212 6600. We'd love to assist you in finding your perfect stay in Dubai.